What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to 31 Days of Blend, and this is day 20. I am really excited that we've come this far, and I appreciate you guys so much for sticking around till now. I really do hope that you continue to stick around and keep watching my videos on and on and on and forevermore. Amen. So yeah, today we are going to be doing a color blend that was requested by T. She requested that we do the color 30, color 27, and color 350. And you guys know how I feel about color blend requests. I'm like, yes girls, sign me up for this. So yeah, this is what we are doing today. All three colors are not in the same quantity. I already have a video up on my channel already where I actually talked about a color blend that I added color 27. Color 27 knows how to do overdo in blend, so I don't like to use a whole lot. So for this blend I decided to use color 350 and color 30 equal quantity, and then less quantity of color 27, because I want everything to be balanced. If 27 is the same quantity as the other three, the color 27 will pop out too much, and I didn't want that. So put that in mind when you are blending with color 27. It is really bright. It knows how to just find its way and work its way through every other colors. It just sticks out like a saw. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, we are just going to go ahead and just continue blending till all the colors are well combined, and then at the end of the video I'm going to give you guys a close-up look of what the blend looks like. I'm going to also give you a far away look of what the blend looks like, and also show you what it looks like as braid, because I'm going to braid with this extension, and then show you what it looks like. Also, at every stage I'm going to be showing you what the blend looks like, just so you can see the different stages that the blend passes through before it actually becomes a well blended blend. So yeah, if you are enjoying the video so far, do consider subscribing to the channel if you are not subscribed already. Like the video if you do enjoy it. I mean, that is how you can actually do say thank you to the creators, because it is really not easy creating these videos, making the blend, editing, posting. It can be really draining. Doing this 31 days of blend has actually made me realize that this thing is draining. Like, I usually love doing color blend videos. When I first started, I really enjoyed it. It was interesting. I was always looking forward to see what the colors look like at the end of the blend, and I feel like that was actually what motivated me the most when I'm filming color blend videos. But now that I'm doing it like back to back to back to back to back, my body has been hurting lately. Like, it is taking a toll on my health. My back hurts all the time, my hands hurt, my biceps hurt all the freaking time, and my waist, goodness. Like, after I'm done blending these days, I just lay on my bed and just cry. That's just exaggeration, but I'm usually in pain after I'm done blending, because it hurts my back so much. I don't know why it does that, but it's just very it's I feel like I'm in like an uncomfortable position for such a really long time. So I really appreciate if you guys appreciate what I do by liking these videos when you watch them, dropping lovely comments in the comment section below. I see a lot of you watch the videos but you don't comment or like the video. Listen, I live for you guys comments. I want to be sure that I am doing exactly what you guys want, and there's no way I can do that if I don't know what you guys want, if you guys are not communicating with me. You understand what I'm saying? So we can do the whole communication thing in the comment section. I love to read you guys comments. I love to reply your comments. I want us to have like a conversation in the comment section. You don't even have to do so much. You can just say, hey girl, what's up, I love your blend, I watched this video, ask questions. When you guys do send comments in the comment section, it's usually like asking for like color blend, you want this blend, you want that blend. I'll really appreciate if you guys send me lovely comments in the comment section, and also like the video and subscribe if you are not subscribed already. I mean, join the family. We can't grow if you are not joining, if you are just sitting on the fence. Okay, so please do that for me, and I would really appreciate. Thank you so much in advance. I hope that after all this sermon you have clicked on that subscribe button and you are in the comment section right now dropping me a very, very lovely comment that I would see and I will pray for you. All right, so yeah, that is that about that. I also want to say that if you are dropping color blend requests, make sure that you are subscribed and you turn on post notification. Before, yeah, whenever I see a color blend request, I usually just say, oh yeah, I will do that, and then I will let you know when it is up. And then I go back to like reply the comments after the video is up, and then tell you, oh, I've already uploaded the video that you requested. This is the link here. But right now the community is growing. We are growing. I have a whole lot of color blend requests and I cannot enter everybody's comment and start like replying everybody. You get what I'm saying? So please help me out here. I would really, really love it if you guys when you want to drop a request, just subscribe to the channel and then turn on post notifications so that when the video is up, I can just you will just see the video, you will see it, you will get a notification, and then you will know, oh yeah, this is my video. You get what I'm saying? So please do that for me. I'll really, really appreciate. We have over 1,000 people in here and I have over like 30, sometimes 50 requests, and I cannot like reply. I reply everything, but then when I finally upload the videos, I can't go back and start searching for your request. You get me? So yeah, please do that for me. I feel like I just spent the whole video just gisting with you guys and seeking you people's love and support, but we've come to the end of the video right now. This is what the blend looks like. I really do love it. T, shout out to you, girl. You have a very, very beautiful I don't know what to even say, but I really, really love this blend. It is really, really beautiful. It is really, really gorgeous. I actually do have a color 30 and color 350 up on my channel already, and I also have color 613 and color 350 up on my channel. I have a whole lot of blends on my channel already at this point, and I am looking forward to getting to the point where I already have over 200 blends, in like over 200 uploaded blends of my channel. I hope that you still stick around till then. Yeah, this is what it looks like as braid. It looks really, really beautiful. I feel like it actually does look like a blend of color 350, 613 and 27, and it also looks like color 30, 613 and 27. I do have those ones on my channel already as well, so you can go check it out and let me know what you guys think. If you do love it, if you're going to try it out, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so, so, so much for watching. If you have gotten to this point and you have still not liked or subscribed to the channel, I do not know what you're waiting for. Please do that. I would really, really appreciate it, and I would see you in the next one. Bye.